I know you do a lot with that. We talked in preparation around some sensor-aware technology you have. So, Rob, if you could quickly just give us a view of what FedEx is doing and a glimpse into the future.
Well, I could talk about what we're doing with mobility for our customers.
Yep.
And, how we've lit up, mobile sites and apps on all the smartphones and iPads and those kinds of things. But it's probably more interesting to talk about it from what we've done inside the company. I mean, we have a far-flung company, and there's a lot of reason for us to have connectivity all the way out to the edge, to where the courier is interfacing with customers, and, or where, a ramp agent is, calling for fueling for an aircraft, to launch aircraft. So, we started back in 1979. We started hiring electrical engineers to build the world's first handhelds, so that we could take computing out to the edge. In 1980, we bought up in the U.S. 800 megahertz spectrum coast to coast, which we've since sold after the advent of the cell phone era. But, our whole point was that we need to push communications and connectivity and computing out to the very edge. So we've got this culture of mobility and connectivity and seeking the edge inside of our company. And we deployed, wave after wave of technology that made, rapid movement of data all the way out from, the van or being up in the, in the skyscrapers in one of the big metros. But then today, those all create scanning events and a pretty good custodial control system that allows you to see, what's going on with shipments. But we believe that the next era of the internet is in sensor-based computing and the Internet of Things. So we started working on technology that drove, really the smart package. And I didn't get to see Daryl's thing, but I read some of what he said out there. And, since we talked about it, I brought it. But this is the first generation of SenseAware. And it's a smart, active communicating device that you literally scan the back of and put it inside of a shipment. And it's got about a 96-hour battery life, so it can live inside of our system for a pretty significant period of time. And it measures location services, GPS services, vibration, light, radioactivity, if you want to put that on the moat, any kinds of things.
Yeah.
Temperature, one of the most important. A lot of our life sciences customers using this now use it for temperature monitoring, and not just monitoring like a telltale tag, but actually the ability to alert you if you begin to approach a threshold that would spoil a shipment of, of Aston or something like that.
Thanks, Robert. Thanks for giving us a glimpse into the future.